for almost half its modern history, and most prime ministers, including you, came to power with the support of the military. How did you end up losing their backing?
I think you need to ask the ex-army chief, because he gave a statement afterwards that yes, he was involved in toppling my government, and because he thought I was a danger to the country. And yet I worked with them. So what made him suddenly in the last 6 months decided to pull the rug under the feet of my government? What made him change horses and bring the setup? Only he can answer.
At this point, do you want to curtail the army's power, or do you wish the generals would support you as they did before?
No. The problem is the hybrid system, where the prime minister is supposed to have the responsibility as an elected prime minister. But the power is basically lying with the establishment, military establishment. This hybrid system has